Every journey begins with a single step. Embrace uncertainty and let it guide you.
In the face of challenges, find your inner strength.
Persistence is the key that unlocks success.
Stay focused on your goals, no matter the distractions.
Trust in your abilities and believe in yourself.
Your attitude determines your altitude in life.
Success is the result of consistent effort and determination.
Surround yourself with positive and supportive people.
Your mindset shapes your reality, so choose positivity.
Seize each day with enthusiasm and make it count.
Find inspiration in the smallest of things.
Don't let fear hold you back. Face it head on. Success is not an overnight phenomenon, it's a journey.
Keep your eyes on the prize and persevere through challenges.
Your passion fuels your purpose. Follow it relentlessly.
Never underestimate the power of consistent, small actions. Remember, you have the potential to create your own success.
You are the captain of your own ship. Steer it towards greatness.
Seek knowledge and wisdom. They are your guiding lights.
In the face of fear, find the courage to take a leap of faith.
Challenges are not obstacles, they are stepping stones to growth.
The greatest rewards often come after the hardest battles.
Every setback is an opportunity to learn and improve.
Your past does not define you. It is the stepping stone to your future.
When you stumble, pick yourself up and keep moving forward.
Hard work and dedication are the keys that unlock your potential.
Every day is a chance to start anew. Make the most of it.
Your mindset is your greatest asset. Cultivate positivity and resilience. Stay committed to your goals. Remember, the journey is as important as the destination.